I'm going to go through the top most watched plumbing and gas YouTubers that speak English around the world. Okay, I was asked about Tom Plum in a previous chart that I did, asking why he wasn't included. He's included this time. Then RJ Heaton. Check out his channel, support it. He's got some really good videos. Have a look. Friendly Plumber, another top YouTuber, and that is showing his estimated income there. Hartley Heating and Plumbing. Check out his channel. And then Just a Plumber is getting paid from YouTube £2 a month. Viva Training, £4 a month. Boiler Room Detective, £5 a month. He's in plant rooms in America. Good one if you're looking for commercial stuff. Parks Plumbing, £5 a month. Boilers 24/7, £6 a month. Plumbing Time, £15 a month. Jeffrey Needs Training, £16. Mr. London Plumber, £17. Dr. Pipe, £18 a month. Snap Gas, £19 a month. And by the way, this is all from Social Blade, which updates regularly, so it changes. If the YouTuber doesn't post many videos, the numbers change. Or if they post more than normal and they get more watch hours, it's all based upon how much watch hours you get, and that shows basically how much YouTube will pay you for advertising if you apply for AdSense. So Liam the Plumber at £18 a month, recently at the Installer Show. Professor Plum, £20 a month. Loving Plumbing, £24 a month. Mr. Combi with his apps that you can buy to help you with your gas work. Andrew Millward Watford, I've worked with Andrew before, nice guy, £34 a month. Wow, Warriors of Warmth, Plumbing, happy to help at £39 a month. Todd Glister, Plumbing and Heating Engineer, £49 a month. Heating Geek at £49 a month. The Mental Gas Man, £66 a month. Advanced Boiler Training, £70. Plumbing Doctors, £102 a month. It looks like they were at the Installer Show recently in Birmingham. Tomcat Gas Training, £118 a month. I've enjoyed some of his recent videos on the Sourman gas analyzer. Plumber, £103 a month. Also at the Installer Show recently. £169 a month. CP Utilities, definitely at the Installer Show recently. Advanced Boiler Training, £70 a month. Urban Plumbers, he's more in the future now with air source heat pumps, and he's the place to go if you want to find out more about air source heat pumps. Boilers to Bathrooms at £222 a month. Check it out. Then Plum Like Tom at £228. His channel has everything: gas, plumbing, oil, commercial, domestic, you name it. He's got it on his channel. Central Heat King, he's on all the platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and he's getting £232 a month. Blue Bulldog at £290 a month. He's also on all the platforms. Then we've got Aft Plumbing. This one is all about looking at urinals and toilets, at people that love it. I sometimes check it out. It's interesting. He's making £334 for his troubles. Prani at £334 a month. Go there. Heat Geek at £450 a month. MJ Tiff Plumbing, £505. Smedley Plumbing, whoa, we got to jump there. £633. We just jumped up all of a sudden. Hold on a second. I think we missed me. We better go and find myself. This is a good opportunity for me to show you how to find someone. Go to Social Blade, accept the cookies. I'm going to type in myself, commercial gas engineer. And then Bush. Okay, £53 a month. Okay, I'm probably in about 25th place, so not doing too bad. Thank you for your support. Okay, so we were at the big jump of getting to Smedley at 633, Smedley Plumbing. Alan Hart, 822. Alan Hart was higher up the ranks when I did my last chart. He's probably been busy with other things such as his training course and so on, and hasn't been able to publish as many videos. Check out Alan's Hart and his training course that he's doing. Birmingham Boiler Fix at 952. Then ADI Leak Detective MG, £961 a month. We're going across the pond to America, and we're at 1.2k for Pipe Doctor. He looks very happy here about the money he is making. Then back across the pond to the UK to Plumber Parts, one of our own. Then back across the pond, we're going back and forth. We've got Stephen Lavimonier. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I've tried. Him and his dog are killing it at 1.5k. Sometimes I recall him posting a video every single night. I don't know if he still does it, but he'd post like a 20-30 minute video every night of him being on the road with his dog, going and fixing things. Very technical, very good guy who knows like everything in every trade: domestic, commercial, AC, gas, oil. He's wicked. And then you've got the DIY guy, 2.8k. I believe this guy's British, and I think here he's doing some underfloor heating. He doesn't just do plumbing, he does loads of different DIY stuff, and he deserves his money. Roger Wakefield Plumbing Education, £3,100. Skill Builder, back across the pond, one of our own, and he is here talking about the future of water heating. So check out his channel. 5.4 thousand. How much money is that? The tax man must be after him. Then now, please, I have to tell you something about these numbers, okay? Yes, the tax man is going to tax you when you make over a certain amount of money. Okay, sometimes you get taxed as much as 45% if you earn over 150 grand. And this poor person has to worry about that. 70,000 a month. His videos are wicked. I'll give him that. His videos are wicked. For the ones I've seen, he's not even talking. He's just there smashing it, yeah? Doing pipe work. It's an international channel because he's not talking much on a lot of the videos. So anyone around the world can watch it. And there's not much waffle because there's no talking. And he just gets on with showing you what he's doing. And his videos are wicked. So he deserves it. But £70,000. He's lapping up all the gravy from the table. There's probably none left for anybody else. So I can't believe these numbers, but I'm telling you something. I've got 2 YouTube channels, and normally this number here is how much Google Island give you. But obviously, if you're over that tax threshold, you're not getting that much. But still, wow, he's killing it. All right. Thank you for joining me, guys. Check out those YouTubers' channels. I'd also recommend that if you're watching a channel and you've gone 2 minutes into a video, check to have a little preview. Look at their most popular video, look at their most recent video, watch 2 minutes of it. If within 2 minutes you're not learning anything, you probably should be somewhere else. Because I think you should. If you're really after entertainment, go and watch Netflix or Disney or play a video game. But really, you should be trying to learn, in my opinion. So if you're not learning from people's channels, then maybe you should think twice about what you're watching. So, okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, please leave comments in the section below for what I've missed. Who do you think is the best of all these guys? In your opinion, who's helped you the most in your trade? Until next time, bye.